Hello guys, today's topic is Objectron, MediaPipe Objectron. MediaPipe Objectron is a mobile real-time 3D object detection solution for everyday objects. It detects objects in 2D images and estimates their poses through a machine learning model trained on the Objectron dataset. This is the GitHub link of Objectron dataset, where you see the dataset of Objectron, where this model is trained on. This is the demo of Objectron model using MediaPipe. This is a reference link. Let's see the demo of Objectron using MediaPipe and OpenCV library in Collab. First of all, we have to install the MediaPipe library by typing this command pip install MediaPipe. After installing the MediaPipe, import the required library like google.colab files, cv2, google.colab.patches, import cv2 answer, or numpy. MediaPipe Objectron provides pre-trained models for shoe, chair, cup, and camera. This is a limitation of Objectron. This Objectron will train only on the 4 datasets like shoe, chair, cup, and camera. Let's check each of these. First of all, run this. After that, we have various images of camera, chair, cup, shoes. Let's fetch the images using globe library. After running this cell, we will show these images in the shoes folder. This is the images of shoes. Let's run the actual code to detect the shoes in 3D. This is the output of 3D object detection of shoes model. This is the code of shoes model for object detection. This will be the great using MediaPipe. Let's see the chair Objectron chair model. First of all, upload the images of chair and fetch using the globe library. Let's see the chair images. Let's run the chair model, Objectron chair model. This is the output of chair model using MediaPipe. Objectron chair model in 3D. 3D object detection. Let's see the Objectron cup model. First of all, run this cell to show the cup images. This is the images of cup. Now run the code to detect the cup in 3D. This is the output of cup in 3D. This is the 3D. Let's see the Objectron camera model. First, show the images of camera. This is the image of camera. Let's see the camera images in 3D by using camera Objectron model. This is the output of camera Objectron model. Very good. Camera model in 3D. Camera images in 3D. Camera images. Curve images in 3D. Chair images in 3D. Shoe images in 3D. 3D bounding box. It will work on bounding box where we will see the it detects the shoes in 3D bounding box. This is the bounding box in 3D. 3D bounding box of shoes. But this have the limitation that it will work only with 4 images like shoe, chair, cup and camera. This MediaPipe Objectron is trained on 4 datasets. Shoe, chair, cup and camera. This is the limitation of this Mediatron Objectron model, MediaPipe Objectron. Currently, MediaPipe is in developing phase, but in a very short span of time, this will gain a very high popularity. In a, that's it, guys. Thank you.